Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to make a zip file on mobile. Friends, zip file is a very commonly used file format used to compress multiple files in one file. First we need to open Play Store. Here type RAR and press on search. You need to install this software. As you can see, it has already 100 million plus downloads. After installing, press on open. Now here you need to open the folder in which you are having files. My files are in Telegram folder. Now here select the files for which you want to make a zip folder. I have selected 3 files. After selecting files, press on this plus icon. Now here select zip format. Now here if you want you can also change the name of your zip folder. After completing, press on OK. Now friends, as you can see, it has made a zip folder named Telegram 3 files. Now if you want to unzip any folder, select the folder and after selecting press here to unzip this folder and press on OK. Now friends, as you can see, it is showing 3 files in this zip folder and it has made a unzip folder named Telegram 3 files. This is our zip folder Telegram 3 file.zip and this is our unzip folder Telegram 3 files. So friends, like this you can very easily make a zip folder and also unzip any folder on your mobile phone. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.